रिस्पॉन्स, चाहे आप रिव्यूज़ की बात करें या फिर जो ऑडियंस देखने जा रही है, वो जिस तरह से रिस्पॉन्ड कर रही है. आई एम रीडिंग ईच एंड एवरी ट्वीट ऑफ पीपल हु आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द थिएटर एंड दे रियली enjoying it. So I'm happy that they're relishing the Bareilly Barfi and it's getting its due.
और रैंप पे आपने जो आउटफिट पहना है
जी.
उसमें क्या खास है और आपकी डिजाइनर आपको खूबसूरत बनाने में उसमें खास और कितनी शुगर फ्री
ये ऑलरेडी खूबसूरत है, ऑलरेडी इतने ब्यूटीफुल है.
आई थिंक ये बहुत ये एथनिक लहंगा है पर एट द सेम टाइम बहुत मॉडर्न फील है इसमें. जैसा कि आप ड्रेप्स देख रहे हैं वो दुपट्टे की जगह ड्रेप्स हैं, इवन ब्लाउज से पीछे ड्रेप्स जा रहे हैं नीचे, विच एड टू द ड्रामा. एंड ये स्पेशली इन्होंने मेरे लिए ये 3D मिरर वर्क बर्ड्स जो हैं वो इस लहंगे में डाली हैं. Mirror work is something that she's been doing in her previous collections also, but she shifted it almost to like thread work in this time. But these little elements, I think that's what amplifies the outfit and makes it so beautiful.
Why a long chain? You know, I mean, because these days, if you see the trend, it's all about shorter.
It's short and long, if you see.
So basically the trend is always to go really dressy on the choker as well as wear a long hair. But because we were trying to make it a bit modern, so we thought of stacking these slimmer necklaces, keep it short and long, so that it has a good modern feel.
What is your take on this?
I loved it. I think it's with jewelry. It's always after you wear the outfit, you try and put it and what's looking good and what's not. And when she put these two, it was looking very nice. And I think this long chain just added an element to the outfit. It just made it a little more modern.
So what is your jewelry wardrobe like?
My jewelry wardrobe is messy. I have to find jewelry when I open that wardrobe. But I think I like it lightweight. I like it sometimes chunky when it comes to neck pieces. I have a few chokers as well. I love ear cuffs. And otherwise, I think mix and match of modern and ethnic kind of jewelry is what I like.
So did you see the collection? I mean, what are the takeaways from her collection?
I think I loved it. I loved it. I loved each and every piece that was coming there. I liked the fact that it was very feminine, but at the same time there was a structure to it. I love the structured jackets. There were these crop tops and culottes and also and layered skirts also, which I think I think they're fun, they're young, and they're very chic.
So do you put a lot of effort for your airport looks?
No, airport looks. My first thing that comes to my mind is it has to be comfortable. I can't sit on a long flight, especially wearing something that I'm not comfortable in. So it has to be relaxed. It has to be not done, but at the same time, you like stepping out, feeling stylish. So that's about it.
Latest fashion experiment.
Last question.
Fashion experiment.
और खासकर जो फेस्टिवल्स के सीजन आ रहे हैं उस वक्त
I think I like the crop top skirt, lehenga skirt kind of a feel. I like it when it's not completely ethnic or not completely modern. It's somewhere in between. I think I love boho kind of looks. I've done a lot of them, in fact, recently for my promotions. And I think if it's a nice Indian function, something like this is very young. It feels young. It's not like a regular lehenga or an anarkali. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
कृति के साथ आपके शो स्टॉपर
एक्चुअली जब भी मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम कृति को पहले मॉडल के तरीके में देखा था, आफ्टर दैट आई सॉ हर कम इन द मूवी एंड सिंस देन इट्स लाइक आई हैड अ गर्ल क्रश ऑन कृति एंड she's so gorgeous, she's beautiful, she's confident, but she still has that innocence that makes you just want her to just wear all your clothes, be it lehengas or be it crop tops, anything at all. She pulls it off with utmost ease.
Thank you.